Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today, today we are going to discuss section 265D of the Criminal Procedure Code. Report of the mutually satisfactory resolution is to be submitted before the court. The statute provision is where the where in a meeting under section 265C a satisfactory resolution of the case has been worked out, the court shall prepare the report of the such resolution, which shall be signed by the presiding officer of the court and all the other persons who participated in the meeting, and if no such resolution has been worked out, the court shall record the observation and proceed further in accordance with the provision of the code. From this stage, the application under subsection 1 of section 265B has been filed in the such case. એટલે આનો મતલબ મિત્રો એવો થાય આખી વાતનો કે એક રિપોર્ટ એ જે છે એ બનાવવામાં આવે છે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ ઓફેન્સ જે કમિટ કરવામાં આવ્યો હોય તો એ જ્યારે 7 વર્ષથી ઓછી સજાની જોગવાઈવાળા ગુનામાં હોય તો એમાં પ્લી બાર્ગેનિંગ શક્ય છે. તો પ્લી બાર્ગેનિંગ જ્યારે એ મિટિંગ આખી પતી જાય પાર્ટીઝ વચ્ચે તો અને એમ નક્કી અને આપણે એમ નક્કી કરી નાખીએ એ મિટિંગમાં કે ભાઈ કેસને હવે જે છે એ પૂરો કરી દેવો છે સમાધાન કરીને. તો આનો રિપોર્ટ જે છે એ બનાવવામાં આવે અને એ રિપોર્ટની અંદર જે છે એ પ્રિસાઇડિંગ ઓફિસર એટલે જજ સાહેબે સહી કરવાની અને એ મિટિંગમાં જે કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિઓએ ભાગ લીધો હોય એ બધા વ્યક્તિઓએ ત્યાં સહી કરી અને એ વિડ્રો પ્રોસેસ આપીને કેસનું જે છે એ દફતર અને કેસ પછી દફતરે કરી લેવાનો. Now section 265F, the resolution of the case, where the satisfactory resolution the case has been worked out under section 265D, the court shall dispose of the case in the following manner. The court shall award the compensation to the victim in accordance with the resolution under section 265D, and here the parties on the quantum of the punishment relating to the accused on the probation of the good conduct or after the admission of under section 360 of the dealing 360 or for the dealing with the accordance under the provision of the probation of the Offenders Act 1958 or any other law for the time being in force, and follow the procedure specified in the succeeding the clause for the improving the punishment on the accused. So now if the meeting has been voluntarily satisfied between the parties, then the court shall award the compensation to the victim of the case. After hearing the parties under the clause B, the court shall find that the minimum punishment has been provided under the law for the offence conducted by the accused, if the sentence the accused to half of the such minimum punishment. Here the sentence is half of the minimum punishment is given by the Penal Code of India. In the case, after hearing the punishment under clause B, the court shall find that the offence committed by the accused is not convicted under the clause B and clause C, then it may be sentenced the accused to 1/4 of the punishment provided or the extensions as the case may be for the such offence. Now, the finality of the judgment under section 265G. The judgment delivered by the court under section 265G shall be final and the no appeal. Expect the special leave petition under the article 136 and the writ petition under article 226 and 227 of the Constitution shall lie on the court against the judgment. So here are the most important point. There is a no provision of appeal regarding the uh, judgment given by the Honorable Court under Section 265G. So that's all from today, guys. I hope you understood today's lecture.